Welcome to part 2. If you have not listened to this foundation of lines where I spoke on one line in mathematics, I want you to now listen to it first before listening to this video here, because I am going to speak on 2 lines, and my topic today is the intersection of 2 lines. The intersection of what? 2 lines. Now look at this line. Now look at this line here. Now when these 2 lines meet at a point, now many things happen. Many things happen. Now, and those are the things I want to explain to you today. Please take your Bible and take your jotter and begin to listen as I explain to you the many things that happen when 2 lines meet at a point. Welcome to this lesson today. This is about the meeting of 2 or more lines at a point. Now, I want you to know something, that whenever 2 or more lines meet at a point, different types of angles are created. Different types of angles are what?
Created.
Beautiful. Now look at number 1. Line CD is a straight line. Line DE is a straight line. The 2 of them are meeting at point D. Now there is an angle created, and we say angle on a straight line. Now here, look at this place. Here is an angle on a straight line, and we call it 180 degrees. Then below here is also an angle on a straight line, and we call it 180 degrees also. Now that tells you that angle at a point is equal to 360 degrees. Now look at number 2. We have 2 lines intersecting. Line XY, or we can call it line YX. Then also line VW, they intersect at a point. Now when they intersect, 4 angles are created. How many angles created?
4 angles are created.
Look at it. 1, 2,
3, 4.
Beautiful. Now in this diagram, 2x is equal to, check it up, tell me. Now, from this question, you can see that in this diagram, can you see this diagram? Line PQ, this line PQ, can you see it? Then line RX are 2 lines that intersect at this point. Okay, they intersect here. Now, 2x, look at 2x here, is vertically opposite to A. Look at A here. Therefore, from the diagram above, angle 2x is vertically opposite to angle A. Since vertically opposite angles are equal, since vertically opposite angles are equal, therefore 2x is equal to A. Do you see that? That is very simple. Thank you. Now, look at number 3. Line CD and line AD are meeting at point D. 2 angles have been created. How many angles created?
2 angles.
Now look at one here inside. Look at another one here outside. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Beautiful. Now you look at number 4. We have 3 lines intersecting at a point. These 3 lines have created 6 angles. These 3 lines have created how many angles?
6 angles.
Let's count them. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
Beautiful. Now, all of them, if you sum all of them up, if you add all of them, they must be what? 360 degrees. Look at this question. It says, in the diagram, AB, that is line AB. Line CD, look at line CD. And line XY, look at line XY. Are straight lines intersecting at W. Okay? Now, look at W here. Find angle CWX. Angle CWX. Look at this angle here. Okay? Now, look at the solution to this question. Can you see three lines here intersecting? Okay, three lines, line AB, line CD, and line XY. They intersect at a point, and they want us to find angle CWX. Okay, this angle here. Now, but I want you to notice that this angle, look at it, is vertically opposite to this angle 40 degrees. Now this 60 degrees is vertically opposite to this angle here. So this angle here, look at it, is also vertically opposite to this. So one thing you must notice here is that all the angles below line AB, if you sum all the angles below line AB, the sum must be 180 degrees. The same thing for up. All the angles here, if you sum them up, 1, 2, 3. If you sum them up, the angles, the sum must be 180 degrees. So look at the solution here below. Are you seeing it here? There are 60 degrees plus 40 degrees plus angle CWS must be 180 degrees, which implies that when you sum 60 to 40, you have 100 degrees plus angle CWX is equal to 180 degrees. And on solving, look at what you have. So angle CWS is equal to 80 degrees. Are you happy? Can you see the power of lines? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Now, can you see that? That when two lines meet at a point, many things happen. Okay, one of the things you learned is that when the two lines go beyond the point and intersect, then four angles are formed. Don't forget that. And out of the four angles that are formed, two angles are vertically opposite to themselves. Okay? Two angles are vertically opposite to themselves. And the two angles that are vertically opposite to themselves are equal. They are equal. Okay? Don't ever forget that point. With that knowledge, we solve the WAEC question. With that knowledge, we solve what? The WAEC question. Thank you very much. Let's go on.